If you've ever found yourself hunting through random folders trying to locate your latest documents, or you're tired of having files scattered between your computer and the cloud, this tutorial is for you. Today, I'm going to show you how to change your default save location in Microsoft Office apps so that everything goes to OneDrive automatically. By the end of this video, saving your files to OneDrive will be quick, seamless, and stress-free. No more guesswork about where your documents are. Let's jump right in. First things first, you'll want to make this change in at least one Microsoft Office application, like Word, Excel, or PowerPoint, since they all share the same setting. I'll use Word as my example, but feel free to follow along in whichever app you use most. Go ahead and open Word. Once it's up, look to the top left corner and click File. That's going to bring up the Backstage view where we'll find most of the important options. Now scroll down and select Options near the bottom left. You might need to take a moment here the first time if you're not used to where things are found. This opens up a new window where you can fine-tune how Word behaves. Next, find the Save tab from the list on the left. Give that a click. The Save menu is all about where and how your files get stored, so any change here can make a big difference in everyday convenience. Now, here's the crucial part. You'll see an option called Save to Computer by default. If saving straight to your device isn't what you want, go ahead and uncheck this box. Why does this matter? Well, with that option unchecked, Word will automatically suggest saving your documents to OneDrive first, making it much easier to keep everything backed up and available from any device. Think of it like having your favorite coat always hung by the front door, ready for you to grab on your way out, not buried at the back of the closet. If you have a more specific spot in OneDrive where you want all your documents to go, like a particular folder, you can set it manually. Right below, there's a field called Default Local File Location. Here, you can type in the full path to your OneDrive Documents folder. Usually that's something like C/users/your name/OneDrive/documents, but make sure to swap out your name for whatever your username is. This way, even if you do end up saving locally, it'll drop files into your OneDrive connected folder, so they're still synced to the cloud. Once you've made these changes, don't forget to hit OK at the bottom. It's easy to overlook this little step, but it's what locks in your choice so that the next time you click Save, OneDrive pops up first. That's all there is to it. Now, whenever you work on something new, whether it's a spreadsheet for work or a journal entry in Word, your hard work is automatically saved in the cloud, easy to find, and safe from mishaps like computer crashes. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please tap the like button to let me know, and if you have any questions, even about tricky details, just drop them in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe for more practical tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you next time.